We are at... Saan tayo?
Naiya Terminal 3.
So, Terminal 3. Tapos it's currently 8:20 p.m.
8:20.
We're boarding at around 10:55. So, may...
Nagulat na yun. May nagmamat pa.
Mga 3 hours pa to chill.
Yung pinaka-nervous part lang naman sa akin is yung immigration. So, when we finish that, okay na.
Yeah.
We can breathe.
Ay, shit. Yeah, walang tinanong. As in, ay, shit. I was asked more questions nung Thailand trip.
Baka kasi dahil first trip.
Actually. But yeah, yung question lang was, when are you guys going back?
Yun, pareho kami. When
are you going back? Tapos na. Tuwas ang haba ng pila sa
immigration.
As in, took us more than an hour. Mga 1 hour, 30 minutes. By the way, I got
Peach
Yakult. And she got
matcha. Because I've been craving
because it's my non-coffee era. But yeah, 3 hours muna kami dito. See you when we get to the boarding gate. Bye! Finally, it's what time is it? 1:32 a.m. and we're still here, but we're finally boarding. So see you in Taiwan.
Check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved.
Welcome to Taipei! After 3 hours of delay.
3 hours?
3 hours, yeah. We're finally here. Not too bad na rin, I guess, na nadali kasi hindi tayo mamadali.
Like, may light, may train na.
Oh yeah, may train.
May mga
Because initially, we were supposed to take the bus. Kasi madaling araw kami dadating, tapos bus lang available. So ngayon, there is a train. There's the train option. We can take that option and then, yeah. Okay, we're gonna try our luck sa Lucky Land! Okay, guys, pray for us. Sana makuha kami ng 5K. Start.
Yes.
Wait, try ka muna. Scan the QR. Okay na. Gonna press. Wait, antayin mo. Go. Oh.
Legit yun na yun?
Yun na yun. Sad. We didn't win.
Oh, that's so sad.
It's okay. May accommodation naman tayo. Our room. Okay, so we have 2 beds, 2 twin-sized beds. We have a TV, and then parang may parang horse thing, and then here we have a bit of amenities. Ganda nung table. Oh my gosh.
And then we have ref.
Oh, my ref. Wow, that's so slay. And then I fear it's the highlight of the room.
It's
the bathroom. Look at the bathroom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at the bathroom. So nice. Okay, so now papahinga muna kami for maybe an hour or two because today is yet another jam-packed day. So, see ya! Hello!
Oh, pareho pang naka-shade.
Walking na kami. Punta muna kami sa 7-Eleven para bumili ng Easy Card, which is the metro train card of Taipei. And then we're gonna go on with our day. But before that, here's a little fit check. It's a Hello Kitty 7-Eleven. Honeycomb. This is honeycomb latte from 7-Eleven. I got this from the Sanrio's team 7-Eleven. It's good. Parang siyang tiger sugar. She got the ano? Ang tawag dyan?
Tea egg.
Tea? As in T-E-A? Tea eggs. Parang common siya sa mga convenience store dito. It smells really good. Tagal ng tasteless.
Ang init eh.
Okay, taste test.
But it's still hot eh.
Time yan.
Yung lipstick.
Ano? What does that mean?
It's good.
Tikim mo.
Doon ka na lang sa walang mark.
Kakamain ko na. Ay, putik ang init.
Mainit nga. It's like Penoy.
Hello, we're walking to
Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall.
our first ano. Well, nag-ikot na kami sa ano.
Xiamen area. Ang ganda.
Sa mga 7-Eleven. But
Wala
yeah.
kaming payong guys.
Okay lang yan. We're Taiwanese. Yeah, see you there. Woohoo! Hello! Mas napawis na ako.
Same.
Dahil nalobat ang fan ko. But yeah, we just had lunch sa Yongkang beef noodles.
It was okay. I mean, ano naman, up to the standard. Pero mas na-surprise ako dun sa isa.
Yung sa parang pork.
Sa jajangmyeon.
Jajangmyeon, Taiwanese
Mas
version.
gusto ko siya, pero masarap sila both.
Yeah. Give it a 7/10.
Oh, for both?
Ayoko kasi ng oily talaga. Going back, so dito na kami ngayon sa Maokong Gondola. We're gonna try the yung gondola. I think we have time. I'm happy kasi in my head
Weren't able to,
in my head, this day was supposed to be more hectic. Kaka-haggard siya pero hindi siya panic.
Yep.
So that's nice. We'll see you again later. Medyo palabot na yung camera. Forgot to bring the charger. But yeah, see you sa gondola.
Ito.
Welcome to Maokong Gondola. Ay, Maokong. This is Maokong. Parang Baguio, no? Oh yeah, you're right. Parang mga ajuma-ajuma. Look. Ice cream, matcha, mixed matcha and milk tea ice cream. Dito na kami sa Taipei 101. Nag-bus kami. First time namin mag-bus. Nagkamali kami, lumag-bus na kami. But nabuhay naman kami. We got out of there alive. But yeah, for today, we're gonna go to Simple Cafe to get coffee. And then, yeah.
Where are we going?
Where are we going? Toot toot toot. Dito dapat. Hello, hello. We're going up the Taipei 101. Okay, may hack kasi dyan. May hack to not pay for the hefty amount dun sa Taipei 101. But yeah, that's for you to research.
Today your takeout number is 188. And please stay in the right side area. Coffee is ready. We'll call.
Wow. I'm actually out of words. Wow. Grabe guys, look at the view. Oh my gosh. Parang first day pa lang to ng Taipei trip.
1% na lang. Oh shit.
Oh my god. We made...
Good morning! This is our day 2 in Taipei. So we already had our breakfast. Kanina, here. We're headed off to our first agenda of the day, which is the Spring Museum, Hot Spring Museum, something like that. But yeah, we're gonna ride a bus going there. So Guro up takes around 45 minutes. And then as soon as we get there, ano lang, ikot-ikot lang. Tapos medyo nature trippings yung vibe today. Because yesterday medyo city tour kami. Tapos later magna-night market kami. Kagabi nag-Ximending night market kami. We're waiting for bus 218. Ayan yung bus schedules here. Ayan, so see you there. We are at day 2. Punta kami ngayon sa museum. But it's raining. Sana hindi na tumuloy-tuloy yung ulan. Oh wow, look at that. OMG, that's so...
Wow, look at that.
Ganda.
my gosh, this is the thermal valley. Oh my god, look, it's literally smoking.
Wow.
What the heck? Oh my god, ang init niya, as in, fake ba to? Like, how is this possible? It looks fake kasi sobrang galing niya. As in, ang init niya sa mukha, guys.
We're having lunch, late lunch at KFC in Day 2. So, yeah, this is our view.
I'm so excited.
We're trying out KFC. This is a cultural experience. So I got chicken burger. She got chicken. Tapos meron siyang kasamang tart. And then we both got fries and drinks. So yeah, kain pa lang kami.
Ng lunch.
We are at Yangmingshan National Park. This is the flower tree. And tumutugtog siya kasi it's already 3 p.m. So this is the Yangmingshan National Map. Kinda reminds me of Doi Intanon in Chiang Mai. It's a huge place. Tapos nandito kami. Here, that's the flower clock.
We're at 4?
Yeah.
Okay, we need a game plan.
What's the game plan?
There is no plan.
What if pilangan natin yung mga mahaba yung pila?
I think oyster mushroom from Chile.
Yeah, Chile. So we got mustard and lemon pepper.
Cheers.
Reminds me of Xiao Kao.
Wow.
Pero malambot siya, like para siyang
Ano to this? Rice cake. Healthy rice cake.
harap. Yan, after adding shaved ice, ay shit, looks
Second.
like that. Yep, that's our second one. I'll mix it. Oh my gosh.
Tapos inas kami ng babae if anong pipiliin namin out of the more than 10 toppings. Sabi na lang namin, can you pick for us the best one?
I want a little bit of everything. Cheers.
Cheers! I like gulaman.
Oh yeah. It's gulaman basically. Na mas marami sa
I like the mung bean. Ang sarap!
Okay, this is our third one. Ano lang, basically pork skewers. Okay. Ang masasabi ko lang, thank for Patrawise. You're welcome for Patrawise.
Hi!
This is our last one. Ang dami na namin nakain today. Our last one is what?
This is like a peanut noodle from a Michelin beef gourmand.
Michelin rated basically. Michelin rated na restaurant. So yun.
Ang ilan na natin to today? Well, to be fair, small bites lang naman.
Hati lang kami lang.
I don't like peanut butter that much. Pero this does not taste like peanut butter. Game. I wanna hear up. Right?
It's good.
I like the
Malamig
noodles
siya or
here.
lumamig na?
I think it's cold.
It's cold noodles.
Cold
Masarap.
noodles.
It's a surprise. It's nice. Ooh.
By Shilin Night Market.